Does your customer and prospect database look something a bit like this? Big organizations have spent years gathering data from multiple sources, and as a consequence, the database is frankly a bit musty. The problem is, with internal resources deployed elsewhere, how do you clean that database so ultimately it's fit for purpose? Not least, rules around GDPR and privacy and electronic communications regulations mean you've got to get your house in order. GSA will take your old database, wherever it's located, in whatever language the contacts are, and we'll give it a nice spruce up and clean and give it back to you ready to go. We've recently done large-scale data cleaning projects, all validated by phone, into regions such as the Americas, Benelux, the UK of course, Estonia, Latvia, Poland, the Baltics. So anywhere you need data validation projects, we can help. Right, off to clean a few more databases. If you like this video and you'd like more tips on lead generation, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've got any questions, by all means leave them in the comments box below, but otherwise feel free to like or share this video. Thanks.